Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can delete duplicate pictures or videos in Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is pretty much like any other cloud storage service. This one was made by Google, and it's used solely for photos and videos. For all other things, you can use Google Drive, but keep in mind that the storage between the two is shared. Excuse my phone. And yeah, it is shared storage, so you need to make sure that you don't overfill one so that you can't use the other. But yeah, to make sure that you don't overfill them, what you need to do is make sure that you delete any items that you don't want, and of course duplicate pictures fall under that category because they are pretty much useless. Now, to delete duplicate photos, you cannot delete them. There is no function to delete only duplicate photos, like all of them. There is no distinct function for that. However, there is the function of actually deleting photos, so pretty much you need to delete all of them manually. So let me show you how you can do that. Now, to delete photos, what you need to do is just select them. On PC, it is either you can click on them and enter the full view and then delete it from there. You can either select it by clicking the check mark, or you can click the check mark next to the date so that you select all photos from that date. But yeah, once you click on it and delete it, you can move them to trash and then further go into the trash, select them and delete them permanently. However, you can also restore them, of course. However, on mobile, it is just you select photos by just holding them with your, or tapping them with your finger and holding them, and they'll just select just like this. And yeah, what you need to do is just select duplicate photos like so. For example, let's say that is a duplicate, that is a duplicate, and that is a duplicate. Just select them, then delete them, and the process is the same from there on. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.